If you sit for a minute and try to think what you normally do on a daily basis on your desktop, you may realize that most of the time you are probably searching a file or folder or trying to copy some document or searching tons of websites and articles to cover a topic. If you really think that you can already do these types of work way faster, then wait a minute. Before you say something like that, I'm going to show you 7 techniques you can follow to do the exact same work lot more faster. Most of the times we delete all the apps from our desktop screen and try to open those apps through the start menu. And we all know how fast the start menu works, especially if you search for any apps using the search bar. Well, I got it covered. To make your search more easier and faster, you can use ULE to open all kind of apps on your PC, including games, softwares, files, and so many things. So basically ULE is a special kind of plugins for your Windows or Mac, which is basically used for searching different kinds of applications on your computer. Let me show you how it works. Suppose if you want to open different applications, such as if I try to open Photoshop, I just need to press Alt and space and type the application name, such as Photoshop. The most interesting part is it is very responsive compared to Windows search. Also, this is not the limit. You can also calculate any numbers without opening your calculator app. Just type the numbers on the ULE search bar and it will automatically show you the results. Also, if you want to search anything on the web, you can use ULE without opening Chrome. All you have to do is type G and question mark and type whatever you want to search. If you analyze the time between searching at Chrome and searching on ULE, I think we all know sometimes how much time it takes to open Chrome. You can also do a lot of other stuff with ULE. To find out, click on ULE settings. On the left side under the plugins, you can find out a lot of other things you can do with ULE. By the way, you also have the control to customize the launcher. Again, go to settings. Under the general tab, you can find out bunch of customize options. So from now on, your desktop will be much cleaner, like mine. You can't deny the fact that we often save different files on various different folders, and the next time when we want to use it, we forgot where we saved the file. Well, you can use everything to search any folder or files. So basically everything is a desktop search utility for Windows that can rapidly find files and folders by name. You can put your own command key to open everything search bar and just type the folder name or even file name, and that's it. You can also copy and paste different files and folders without even opening the folder. So from now on, you don't have to use your mouse. Isn't it amazing? Sometimes when we write something, we all search for reference in the web. To do that, at first we search the topic, then try to understand, and then we write about it. Or sometimes we want to use Facebook or maybe YouTube while we want to do something else. To make it more easier, Windows has a built-in program which helps you to split your screen into multiple screens. To use the split screen, you don't need any external software or any programs. This is already built in on your Windows 10. All you have to do is, at first open all the files, programs, or maybe web pages that you want to work on together. For example, if I want to take any reference from Wikipedia to write something, I just have to make sure that the Wikipedia page and the document that I'm gonna work on, both are open. Now I have to click the Windows key from my keyboard plus right or left arrow key. Then it will automatically split your screen and will give you the options to choose any one window from all the background windows you have currently open. You can also adjust the screen by dragging the screen like this. By the way, you can split your screen up to 4. Now all you have to do is split your screen like I've said earlier, then click the blank side on the top and press the Windows button on your keyboard plus up or down arrow key. Now again, click the blank side of the top other window and again press the Windows key plus top or down arrow key. There you go. Now if you want to scroll down any of your splattered windows, you don't have to click on the window and then scroll. You can just drag the mouse cursor in front of the window and start scrolling. Now the fun fact is, sometimes I watch Netflix while taking my class notes, but I'm not suggesting you guys to do that. Most of the time when we want to learn about something on the web or to do research, we have to search a lot of websites, read articles and so on. While searching on the web, if we look on the tab list, we will often find the tab list like this. Sometimes I forgot which tab is which, and also my PC gets too slow for all those tabs. If you face the same problem, you may want to use the one-tab Chrome extension. Whenever you find yourself with too many tabs, you can click on the one tap Chrome extension icon to convert all your tabs into a list. You can also give a name to that list of your tabs. Then whenever you will need those tabs, you can just click on the tabs again. You can also restore them all at once or individually. Do whatever you like. And the deal breaker is it will save up to 95% of your memory because you will have reduced the number of tabs open in Chrome. Do you know Windows has a built-in software where you can connect your phone wirelessly and can write text, share photos, make calls and more without even touching your phone? Yeah, that's a very cool feature which a lot of you guys probably don't know. All you have to do is click on the start menu, scroll down to the bottom and you will find the app called Your Phone. Click it and simply read the requirement to link your phone and that's it. But one thing I should clarify before you say something, only Android users can get all the benefits from this app. iPhone users can only use Microsoft Edge to browse the web on your iPhone and send web pages to your PC to finish reading on a larger screen. I myself is an iPhone user and I can understand how all the iPhone users are feeling right now. You can use clipboard history to list out all the things you copied. This could be more handy than you think. To enable this option, click on Start, write Clipboard Settings. Now turn on Clipboard History and also turn on Sync Across Devices. Now press the Windows key on your keyboard plus V and there you go. Now whenever you want to use the copied list of yours, you just have to open the Clipboard History by simply pressing Windows key and V. Simple, right? Take a screenshot with the use of print screen button on your keyboard. To take a screenshot, I think we all use the print screen button. To take a screenshot, we usually click on the print screen button and paste it to the Paint tab and then edit it or save it. But today, I'm going to show you some little bit extra features which will probably save you a little bit of time and effort. What you have to do is, click on the Start menu, write Print Screen, click on Use the Print Screen key to launch screen sniping, enable Print Screen shortcut. Now whenever you want to take any screenshot, you just need to click on the print screen button, then it will give you the options to drag the area you want to take as a screenshot. Or you can choose any other options as freeform snap or window snap or full screen. After clicking this, it will automatically open the snap and sketch tool. Now you can edit if you want and save it. Also you can share it. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps you by giving you what you exactly need. If you want more of these kinds of PC techniques and tech related video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to press the bell icon. And also feel free to like, share and comment. See you soon.